Krishna, and along with my teammate Nifisky, we are thrilled to present our project, the automatic plant watering system. Our innovative system is designed to make plant care effortless and efficient. We have built it using an Arduino Uno, which serves as the brain of our system. This microcontroller is to monitor soil moisture levels using a soil moisture sensor. When the sensor detects that the soil is dry, it signals the Arduino. The Arduino then activates a relay, which in turn powers a water pump. This pump waters the plants automatically.